It's so nice. I really like this. Oh, this is like brand new. So we have our plate here for the KWD Fans Tiger Lite. Are these still in stock, by the way, guys? Do you know? Again, this is a client build today, so it's not like I did any legwork of making sure things are in stock or not. Some foams. And then here's our PCB. I couldn't remember if this had lots of flex cuts in it, but now I remember. And then we have, this is the tape mod they have. I think it's really cute. I just now realized there is a Pokeball there. I did not realize that prior. Cute though. Oh, this is in stock? Oh, nice. It's a neat little board. Definitely a neat little board. And we have all the screws and stuff. This I'm gonna put to the side over here because that's a lot of stuff in the bag. And then more stuff. God, there's a lot in this box. And then we have the case. I actually don't know what color this was. Oh, I know it's not an exciting color, but I've not actually seen how the black plastic one looks. You know, I have this thing with plastic and in particular the shade of black where I usually find black has the most like defects in it. But this is actually surprisingly really nice. You can see a little bit of that kind of like ghosting in the middle over there. But this is actually pretty nice. All right, so again, client's overall goal is a little bit subdued in sound signature, which is perfect. He actually chose perfect switches for this, perfect everything. So when I lubed the inks to make them a little bit more subdued as well, because again, that was the request. I did personally feel that the 205, this is such a weird thing to, I guess, I tested it with a bunch of lubes because I was like, well, how do I make this a little bit more like not super high pitch? Believe it or not, 3204 gave me the best result for not super high pitch. And they still feel buttery smooth. So, interesting to note here. You should open a cafe together with Tim. Bro, that's a lawsuit waiting to happen. All right. Have you guys seen how Tim talks to people? He'll be like, let me slap your ass with that coffee real quick. Or let me like take a bite of your thigh or some weird, like, you know, it's like normal Tim stuff. All right. It's tape mod time. Excuse me, I have to carefully put this on here, guys. So it's sliding all over the place and driving me nuts. I want it to be perfect. Beautiful. It's not beautiful. It's a little crooked. Hold on. Chef's kiss. It's actually pretty cool though. It's like a cool like little design. This random Pokeball still throws me off. Is that the One Piece hat too? I have not watched One Piece, so I don't know. Love the tape on this tape mod. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Oh, interesting. KWD Fans gives you both the solderable bottom foam and the hot swap bottom foam. And we'll get our gaskets and stuff. On my Tiger 80 Lite, I put the case foam under the tape. Could have swore that's how I saw it in a build guide. The case foam under the tape? Really? You know what then? I think on my Tiger 80 Lite then, I don't have the case foam in. I should go look. Oh no, I sent it out. The bottom foam I never put in. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we need this bottom foam. I can already tell this is not going to be bad sounding, but let's just see. Let's screw it all together. Inks in 2023? You gotta love inks though. They've lasted all this time and people still like them. They're not a bad switch. They aren't. You can get inks to sound pretty good. They're not quite my cup of tea for a switch these days. I think they're a little quieter for me and I don't quite like them for that. But if that's the goal, then that's the goal, right? Only plate foam? I want to see what it sounds like first. That's the beauty about doing these things, is we can see what it sounds like. My worry, if we use all the foams for this, because the inks are already a quiet switch on a polycarbonate plate with foam and a tape mod, this is gonna sound like silent if I use too much foam. So let's just use this for now, and then let's go in and tweak. Because I think that's the best part about using foams is you can tweak it. You don't have to go all in crazy. Crowd has spoken, SA. Hey, I'm down with that. I'm so down with that. So down with this. There's a lot of keycaps in here, guys, so if I struggle, I struggle. I have trauma on inks because I had a friend before that I want to relube his inks when I opened his keyboard full of hair and gunk. Oh, that's disgusting. Dude, I've had that one time ever doing keyboard streams, and I can literally relate. Well, this looks cool. I'm happy with the way this turned out. This is neat. Oh, this is the wrong profile. Oh, well. I like it. It's a cool set, man. I really like this set. Yeah, I vibe with this. I vibe with this hard. Engage me? Huh? Alright, let's see what this sounds like. Because I'm assuming the owner is probably going to put on SA anyways, since they seemed like they wanted SA on this. We'll give you guys a little HJ test first. It's so nice. Let me get a desk pad so you guys can hear it on a little desk pad as well. I really like this. Long pull in the space bar? Nope. Not at all. Alright, the person who has to like this though is the client. So I don't know if Itzwar is in love with this right now or did they want a change? Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I calculated in my mind, alright, I'm gonna tell you guys the honest truth. In my mind, today's stream was gonna take 45 minutes to an hour. Because it was hot swap and it's a Tiger 80 and they're extremely simple to build. I thought the majority of the time was going to be spent modding this and like trying to get to an exact sound signature and doing stabs. I honestly thought this would take a little bit shorter of a time. It was really fun. We ended up vibing. We talked a little bit about the keyboard. Somehow 2 hours went by. I have no idea what we did, but the keyboard's done. The client said this is exactly what they were looking for, and you know what? I'm even really happy with this. The trick here, I think, was doing 3204 instead of 205. Pretty nice. All right, though, guys. That's pretty much the stream. What keycaps these again? This is called SA X-Wing. I think they're still up on Novel Keys. I'm pretty positive they're in stock right now. God, I don't even remember if they are. I know Tatooine is. Bye, everybody. Peace out. Bye-bye.